Hello, kids. Let's learn capital letters. Red color. Purple color. Orange color. Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color. Green color. A for apple. Apple is a healthy fruit. B for ball. Bounce it high, bounce it small. C for cat. The cat says meow, meow, just like that. D for dog. The dog runs fast. Jog, jog, jog. E for elephant. Big and strong with a long trunk. F for fish. Swimmy swim in a water dish. G for goat. The goat gives milk. Note, note, note. H for hat. Put it on your head, just like that. I for ice cream. Ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy dream. J for jug. Water inside. Glug, glug, glug. K for kite. YST. Flying high, such a sight. L for lion. Roar, roar, king of the jungle. M for mango. Sweet and juicy, yum yum, go. N for nest. Birds sleep inside. They rest, rest, rest. O for orange. Round and tasty, vitamin C. P for parrot, green and bright. It talks with me. Q for queen. A king, shiny crown, looking so keen. R. R for rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. That's a habit. S. S is for sun. Bright and warm for everyone. T. T for tiger. Strong and fast, a jungle fighter. U. U for umbrella. Rainy day friend. Oh, hello, fella. V. V for van. Zoom, 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 here we ran. W. W for watch. Time magazine. Tick-tock time. Look and watch. X. X for xylophone. Tap the keys. It makes music. Y. Y for yo-yo. Up and down. Here we go. Z. Z for zebra. Black and white. What a sight! Now say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Z. To keep learning, like this video and subscribe my channel.